Hey, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. One thing I want to say is thank you guys for everybody who supported me over one of my last videos. It really helped me. I feel more positive. I just kind of put that in the back of my head because I feel so much better just getting it off my chest and letting you guys know, because you guys are more friends to me than my real life friends. So wanted to thank you guys on that. And as you guys can see, I am wearing a t-shirt I posted on Instagram the other day. It says Coupon Addict. It's got the coupons, the barcode, the shopping cart, and the scissors. I had a couple people already compliment it while I was shopping. I went to a register and she's like, whoa. I'm like, I'm sorry? She's like, no, your shirt's hilarious because you're couponing and you got a shirt that says you're a coupon addict. Yeah, so definitely stay tuned. Either Wednesday or Thursday, probably Wednesday, I will be posting a video explaining how you guys can order your own shirt. They will come in different colors, different styles, and I'm pretty excited. A lot of you guys were interested in one too, and I'm going to try to make it affordable for you guys. So definitely stay tuned for that. I love it. I love this. The shirt is so soft. It's perfect. I just love it. I love it. You guys will probably see me wearing a lot of these shirts because, you know, why not? Why not? And I kind of want to start promoting some other shirts that I'm going to make too, but baby steps, baby steps, baby steps. So I'm just going to dig in and share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, the first thing I am going to share with you guys is, the ECBs are not printing at my store. My store is pretty flexible, but now I just found out that the store manager got fired. So we have a new store manager. I saw her. I haven't really met her or talked to her yet, so we'll see how it goes. There might be some changes at my store, but I'm kind of sad that the store manager got fired. I really enjoyed talking to him. He was a really nice guy, but you never know what's going to happen. But yeah, the ECBs did not print. So my store ended up just hand printing them all. I just had to, we had to go through the ad and they had to put all that stuff in there. So I just don't like calling customer service, and I know they're going to be drowning in they're going to be drowning in phone calls over the next couple days because everybody is having those problems. So make sure if your stores, sorry, my son's right there. If your guys' stores let them force it, just make sure you pay attention to what you guys needed, because there were some things where I'm like, oh, I need this, but everything was all taken care of. But enough with me chit-chatting. Let's just dig in and show you guys my CVS haul. Now, I have 2 cards. A lot of you guys know that. Nothing wrong with that. A lot of you guys have 2 cards, but every card has different deals, and that's one thing I like to do is show you guys different deals, because hey, some of you guys might not have the same CRTs in one card, but maybe if you have another card, you can do that. So I ended up doing the Tide Pods and the Gain Pods because I really like stocking up on this stuff, and I want to thank you guys for who has been sending me these coupons. I really enjoy it. But these were $4.94. I ended up buying 2 of the Gain and 2 of the Tide, so I ended up using 2 of each of those coupons. You guys would end up paying $11.76 for all 4 of these, but then you guys will get a $5 ECB back, making the final price for these just $6.76 or $1.69 a piece, which I think is a very, very good deal. If you guys don't get Tide Pods for $1.69, I think that is a stock up price. I mean, most laundry detergent most laundry detergent you guys can get for 99 cents. I say that's a great price for laundry detergent, but for the Tide Pods, I mean, you get, how many loads in here? Like 16 loads sometimes, and you use not as much soap as you're supposed to. So this is like convenience for this stuff, but I think for these, that is a great price. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now I did do that with both of my cards because I had those coupons and I did not want them to go to waste. So here is more Tide Pods, and here is more Gain Flings. So I bought 2 of those each on each of my cards. Oh, okay. The next deal I got is the Colgate toothbrushes. Now these were $3.99. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon that we just got in today's paper. I also had a $1 off of 5 CRT for Colgate. So I bought 2 of them, used 2 of those coupons, used that CRT. I ended up paying $4.98 for this. You guys will get a $2 ECB times 2, making the final price for these just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I really like these toothbrushes. I think the colorful packaging makes them better. I don't know why. Like, if it's a boring package, obviously I won't use that toothbrush. But if it's like a pretty package like this, obviously I'm going to buy it. It catches your attention, and that's what I like. So I had to do with this on these toothbrushes, and I actually like using those. I ended up getting the Venus razors. Now, these were $8.99. There's a deal where if you buy 2, you get a $6 ECB. Well, I had 2 of those $3 off coupons, plus I had a $6 off of Venus and a $3 off of Venus, which is weird, but they both scanned just fine. So I ended up paying $2.98 for both of these, but then I got $6 back in an ECB, making a $3.02 moneymaker. I love getting razors, and I am a huge Venus razors fan. I've been using Venus razors for years. 4 years. I ended up doing the Speed Stick deal. Now these were $3.19. They're on sale for buy one get one 50% off. The max coupon only lets you take off $2.99, so that's what they did. You guys would just pay $1.79 for this, but then you guys will get a $2 ECB, making it a 21-cent moneymaker. So I got both of these razors for free, and I did it in both transactions because I could not pass that up, and I can't reach the other one right now. I ended up doing the St. Ives body wash deal. Now these were $4.99. I also had a 2 off of 6 CRT. So I ended up paying $12.97 for all 3 of these. But then you guys would receive a $10 ECB back, making it $2.97. Now you guys can also submit this to Checkout 51, but I can't do it because I submitted my receipt on Saving Star back when the deal became available, and you got to either choose Saving Star or Checkout 51, and I prefer Checkout 51 because it usually resets, but I haven't been able to submit it, so I'm not making a big deal. I think for $1 this is a great deal. But then I also submitted my receipt for checkout or for Fetch Rewards, and I got 957 points for this. I got I bought these, and 957 points. I got like 100 something. So that's just shy of $1 I got with points just for buying these. So if you guys really think about it, I got these for $2 for 3 of them. I think is a great deal. Fetch Rewards is my second favorite app other than Ibotta, so definitely check that out. You guys click my referral link below. You guys will get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2, and you guys can start redeeming points, I think as little as $3. They did have CVS at one point, but they took that away because they were having problems, but it will be coming back. I just don't know when, because that's how I pay for my transactions. So definitely do that. I love Fetch Rewards. I love it a lot. So majority of that was all one card. My second card, I ended up doing the Colgate enamel toothpaste, which I think this is going to be the toothpaste I use next, just because I need to get my teeth a little bit better. And so these were $3.99. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got in today's paper. You guys would pay $5.98 for this, but then you guys will get $1.50 plus $1.50 back in ECBs. Plus, you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate times 2 on Ibotta, this ends up becoming a 2-cent moneymaker, which is pretty great. I'm pretty excited to use the Colgate enamel. I think this used to be blue. I can't remember. Maybe they changed the thing. I don't know. I don't know, but I wanted to share with you guys on getting some good deals on toothpaste. I was going to do the St. Ives deal again, but I'm like, no, I'm going to try a different body wash because CVS is the only place that I know that I can get this one, and I love this body wash. It smells like an alcoholic drink that I used to drink, so I still drink it from time to time. But these were 2 for $7. I had that 2 off of 6 CRT, so I ended up paying $5 for these, but then you guys will get a $3 ECB back, making it just $1 a piece, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys really like this body wash. I've used soft soap before. I like it, so it does its job. So we got that going on. I ended up finding this bad boy. Now, this was not marked in my store, but I decided to scan it anyways. So this was $2.99. There was that $1 off coupon that was available on coupons.com a while back ago. It hasn't been available for a while. But I'm like, I'm going to print it because you never know. So I ended up using that $1 off coupon. So I paid $1.99 for this. But then you guys will end up getting $1 back in an ECB, making this bag just 99 cents. So I thought that was a great deal. Now that coupon's only good for the red, white, and blue candy, so I'm just letting you guys know on that. I found it not where the candy is, but where like their seasonal stuff is. So that is where I got that. I ended up doing the Suave body wash, and I totally didn't write this deal down, but these were $2.09. Okay, I had $1 off of $1 off of 2 coupon that expired today, and I also had a $2 off of 2 Suave body wash. How did I not write this down? So if you guys really think about it, I got both of these bottles for like 59 cents a piece. So I think 59 cents a piece for Suave body wash is a pretty good deal. And I was pretty excited to do that because it's like those coupons were expired and I didn't want those coupons to go to waste. Here is the speed stick deal again that I did with my other card because those coupons were expiring. And then I did the Suave deal. Now I was definitely gonna do the Suave Gold, but then I'm like, oh, I got other coupons, but by the time I got to the registers I realized they expired. But I'm not complaining. I still think this is a pretty good deal in my opinion. So all the Suave stuff is 2 for $6. I used 2 $1 off coupons for these guys, and I was going to use the $1 off coupons for these, but then I realized they expired yesterday. So I ended up paying $8 out of pocket. I ended up getting the men's stuff and the kids stuff. So I paid $8 out of pocket, but then I got $4 back in an ECB. And I also got 318 points for Fetch Rewards because of Suave. So I ended up getting all this stuff for like $4 or $1 back. But if you guys think about it, Fetch Rewards, factored, it's a little bit less than $1 a piece. So, but I was pretty excited because how often can you get this big jar of men's shampoo and conditioner for $1 and the kids stuff for $1? So, and this is a pretty decent one. This one's watermelon. I didn't even smell it. Yeah, it smells pretty good. So, had to do that deal. I just wanted to, you know, not pass that up. And I had that, you know, 2 off of 6, or I had that 2 off of 2 Suave CRT. So, I definitely wanted to do that because those coupons were expiring. But yes, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of variety of stuff. A lot of body washes. I've really been wanting to stock up on shampoo and conditioner, but we just haven't had a lot of great deals with shampoo and conditioner lately. So hopefully next week gets better. I did 4 transactions because I wanted to make sure the ECBs were printing, and they were not. So in two transactions, I ended up doing just the Tide Pods and the Gain Pods in one transaction. So I did one with one card and the other in the other card. So those were $1.76 is what I ended up paying out of pocket. I used $10 worth of ECBs, but then I received 5, so I didn't even do the math on that. My old card, I ended up buying some of the body wash and the Suave and all that fun stuff. I paid $2.94. I ended up using $21 of ECBs, but I received $13 back. My other card, I ended up paying $10.76. I used $12 of ECBs, but I did receive $22 back. So I wouldn't say it's, I've been losing my ECBs like crazy. I haven't been really able to catch up. So hopefully I'll be able to catch up again sometime soon. But right now I'm just kind of low, which is fine. It's fine. I'm not making a big deal about it. But my total came to $25.18 for everything. I ended up getting about 1,000 points back with Fetch Rewards, so that is a dollar. I ended up getting $3 back with Ibotta, that's from the toothpaste. So if you guys think about it, I got all that stuff for $21.18, which I think, in my opinion, is a pretty good deal. Like $21 for 8 things of Tide Pods. I got razors, those are $8.99 a piece, and then I got tons of body wash. So I think $21.18 is a pretty good deal, and I was excited to share with you guys what I got. But yes, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing the information on this video very soon so you guys can get your own t-shirt and we could all be cool. And then I think maybe we should have like a little, you know, a little Instagram thing where everybody tags me and then I'll post everybody's videos. Or maybe I'll make a video of us all wearing the same shirts. That'd be kind of cool, you guys. I gotta write that down. I have all these pens and I don't have one at my desk, but maybe I should make a little montage if you guys sending me wearing your shirts and we all could be cool wearing the same shirts. That would be awesome. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more CVS hauls, and please keep in mind that your ECBs may or may not work. It is a nationwide thing, so just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.